Hello and welcome to this very short demo all about Darwin, the tool with which you can build your own digital exhibits, or digital stories as we call them. This is Darwin Creator. From in here you can make and display as many stories as you like. You can see I've got a big list here. You can also upload them to our online storage, and you can download them from there to other computers or to your iPad if you're showing it on an iPad. So let's quickly make a story to show you how easy it is. I'll click on Make a New Story. I'll give it a nice new name. We'll call it Darwin Example, if I could type. Click on that. Darwin makes a story for us, hurrah, and gives us a page and a block of text to be getting on with. Now, any on-screen element in Darwin can easily be edited, so you can click on it, drag it around to move it. So you can drag it around with this widget in the bottom right-hand corner. You can lock it in place if you don't want to move it anymore. Or crucially, you can click on this thing, Info, and this gives us all kinds of object properties about the thing in question, which could be text, image, button. Pretty much anything that you create in Darwin has this set of properties, its position, how it appears on the page, the size, the layer. You can move things above and below the things, the fonts, the colours, etc., etc. So I'm just going to move that out of the way for a minute and make a new element. So add element, add image. I'm going to go to my desktop because I know there's a lovely image here of Stonehenge, and here it is. So I can move this around. I can scale it. I can even fade it in or out. Let's make this grow bounce to 0.6 seconds. Now let's edit this text. If I come back in here and click edit, I've got these options. Let's say welcome to Stonehenge, or even Stonehenge because I can't type. There, it's nearly there. Darwin sadly won't help your typing. Welcome to Stonehenge, or wherever it is you're talking about. Let's make a nice shape. Here's a shape. I'm going to give it a nice background colour. I'm going to fade it out a bit. I'm going to put it all the way across here like that. And I'm going to send it to the bottom. And I know that Darwin is 1,360 pixels wide. So there you go, that's now exactly the same width. And it's centered. That centers it vertically, that centers it horizontally. So, hey presto, now let's just save it. I'm going to make a new page, which is going to be a gallery. Before I do anything else, I'm going to make a button to go back to my previous page. You can put this button anywhere you like. I'm going to edit that and call it Go Back. As with all Darwin elements, I can click on Info, I'll change the font. I'll change the colour, I'll change the font size, there we go, go back, like that. And down here we have actions, and this is how you wire up your Darwin exhibits. You can link any page to any page with an effect. We'll say that that's push left. There are various other settings as well, but I'm not going to show them to you at the moment. I'm going to go back to my first page and add a button here. In fact, I won't add a button, I'll make my image hot, because images can also be links. That's going to go to gallery, that's going to push right. So let's save and continue. So we've already now got 2 pages, but what I'm going to add in here is something a bit nifty, which is an image gallery. A scrolling image gallery, and all you have to do, pretty much, is point to Darwin, add a folder of images, and it does it for you. Now I'm going to change the colour of those controls just to make them match everything else that we've got. And then I'm going to go Command 9, which takes me back to my first page. Come back here again and check that everything is alright. There it is. I can set the captions by clicking on the image and literally just editing the caption. That's now saved that. I'm going to save and close. Lovely, that's done. And now let's There's our front page. And here is our lovely image gallery. There's Bodiam Castle. I'll go back. And there's our front page again. And there's a very, very simple exhibit built using Darwin.